I made it using a scrap that I probably would have thrown out in the past. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you all so much for being here today. It's going to be a very quick, super simple Sunday. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your time today. Not going to take long because we are going to take something that I probably would have thrown away in the past, and we're going to turn it into a very upscale looking magnetic bookmark for our upscaled half composition book. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera to give you a closer look at it. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. Alright, so you probably saw this in a previous video. If you didn't see the video on how I made this beautiful refillable half composition book folio, I'll have it tagged at the end of this video. So when you get to the end of this video, just hit the next up video and it will be the video that shows you how to make this beautiful refillable half composition book folio. But today, we're going to focus on making this awesome magnetic bookmark. And what I like about it is it's pretty strong because I can place it on the top. It's going through chipboard. You can hear that click. I can grab a whole section of pages. We can place it in. Again, you hear that click. So this is going to be super, super easy for a very special, super simple Sunday video. And today we're going to make one for the fall themed half composition book folio that we did. And I'm going to grab my file folders that I got from Walmart because when I opened the file folders and I removed them from the plastic bag, on the inside was this. This is what I'm going to be using. In the past, I would have thrown this out, but not today. We're going to dress this up and we're going to turn it into a magnetic bookmark or placeholder for this one. And it really is going to be very easy to do. Now, because I want mine to stay in line with this theme, I did print out another piece of this beautiful paper, and that is what I will be using to cover the front and the back. But before I do anything, I want to go ahead and show you how easy it is to do your magnet placement. So I'm going to grab a strip of my 1-inch wide tape and we're going to peel away the backer. And I am going to take 2 magnets. I'll place one here and I'll place one right here. And y'all, these are my 10 by 2 millimeter magnets that I'm placing here. Then I'm going to take 2 smaller magnets. These are my 8 by 1 millimeter magnets. And I am just going to place down a strip of tape like this. And let's see if it's going to hit. Going to place down another strip just to make sure that it is going to hit. Then I'm just going to take this and fold it over into my tape. And when I lift up, the magnets are in place. So we're good to go on this part. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tape and I am going to place tape to cover the inside bottom as well as the inside top and right here. And then on the outside, I will cover this in tape from top to bottom. So now I'm just going to peel away my tape backers from the outside. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to place it down like this on my paper. Let's just go ahead and trim away the excess paper. And the piece that I started with, it really did have the consistency of a medium weight to heavy weight cardstock. So you don't have to have this if you don't want. Just cut out a rectangle. So what we have right now is a piece that is 4 by 7. So if you wanted to make this project, you could cut it out at 4 by 7, and then you can score at 4 and 4 1/4. So this is our piece so far. I'm going to go ahead and peel away the tape backers from the inside. So now I'm going to take it and basically do the same thing that I just did on the outside. So I'm going to trim away my excess. We're going to do some more cleanup on this, so don't worry about what it looks like right now. So now I'm just going to take my big old spatula and make sure that I have a nice stick around those magnets. Then I'm going to bring in my trimmer because I'm going to trim away some of this. So I'm trimming away about 1/8 of an inch on both sides because I want it to be nice and clean. So now I'm just going to go in, find my spine, and just really work the definition of my spine. And now I can take it, close it, and have my magnets catch. So I am just going to give my spine a nice little crease. Then what I did with this one is I took an old nail file and I just went along the edges to wipe off some of that color. So now, keeping in line with my fall theme, I'm just going to take this. It says fresh picked pumpkins, best quality, and we're going to put it right there. And if you wanted to, you could place something here at the bottom. But now, y'all, we have another really sweet magnetic bookmark that we can use in our notebook. Here is the one that we just made, and here is the one that I made earlier. But you can see just how cute they are. I could have made these smaller if you wanted to. We could have even cut it in half and made 2 magnetic bookmarks from one of those little inserts. But I used what I had in the file folder pack to show you that nothing is off limits. Instead of throwing it out, give it a second look and think, can I use this for something else? Chances are you might be able to come up with so many different ideas on ways that you are able to use little goodies such as this. So I hope that you have enjoyed this really quick, super simple Sunday way to make magnetic bookmarks from scrap. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.